Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
New York is a resort built around visual storytelling, and its design approach differs from many other themed properties on the Strip. Rather than constructing a single structure with decorative accents, the resort was developed as a cluster of interconnected towers, each representing a different piece of New York's architectural heritage. These towers vary in height, color, and facade style, creating a skyline effect even though the complex operates as one unified building. The exterior includes multiple architectural references blended into a seamless frontage. Portions of the facade take cues from the early 20th century Art Deco design, while others use modernistic lines drawn from the mid-century Manhattan towers. The arrangement gives the illusion of separate buildings pressed together along a single city block. Beneath these facades lies the resort's main structural framework, designed to support the skyline without requiring each tower to be freestanding. Surrounding the property, the streetscape uses stylized masonry, window frames, and decorative cornices to mimic New York's layered urban texture. The pedestrian pathways curve around terraces and raised platforms that resemble small plazas and entry points inspired by real city districts. While simplified compared to the real-world counterparts, the design choices create a recognizable interpretation of New York's visual identity. Inside the resort, the theme continues through the use of brick facades, narrow passageways, and storefront-style fronts built along interior walkways. These elements are arranged like a compressed version of several neighborhoods placed side by side. Many of the internal facades include balconies, fire escape-style metalwork, and signage reminiscent of older American city streets. The casino floor sits at the center of this environment, bordered by these themed facades. Restaurants and shops occupy spaces designed to resemble ground-level storefronts. Elevated walkways and sculpted overhangs reflect the dense layers of buildings commonly seen in major city districts, creating the impression of vertical depth even within indoor spaces. The Brooklyn Bridge replica at the front of the resort adds another structural highlight. Although smaller than the real bridge, it incorporates stone textures, suspension-style cables, and decorative archwork inspired by the original. It acts as both a visual landmark and a functional pedestrian connection along the Strip's frontage. Over the years, New York has modernized sections of its interior while preserving the core architectural concept that defines the property. The updated elements blend contemporary materials with the original themed framework, ensuring the resort remains functional without losing its signature style. As a whole, the design of New York stands as an example of how Las Vegas combines architectural motifs to create immersive environments. The resort's layered facades, skyline arrangement, and interior neighborhood references combine into a unified space that draws from the identity of one of the world's most recognizable cities.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.